Whoa, hope you're doing well today. Well, unfortunately, you can tell my assistant's not here, my lovely granddaughter. Anyway, we're going to try the ReadyWise Noodles and Beef in mushroom sauce. And I'll put on the screen the nutrition facts, and then down below it has the ingredients. So if you want to read that, go ahead and pause that, and then come back. Alright, and I'm going to read from the single serving, or per serving here. Let's see. It says serving size about 1 cup, and this is supposed to have 2.5 servings. Okay, let's see. Total fats 8 grams, saturated fats 3.5 gram, trans fat 0, cholesterol 30 milligrams, sodium 560 milligrams, total carbs 35 milligrams, dietary fiber 1 gram, total sugars 5 grams, added sugars 0, potassium 13 gram, vitamin D 0.2, I guess that's microgram, calcium 70 milligrams, iron 1.9 milligrams, potassium 480 milligrams. Okay, and the instructions on it: tear pouch at notches, remove oxygen absorber, add 2 cups boiling water, stir well, then close and zip up. Let stand for 12 to 15 minutes. Eat and enjoy. Now, something I came to the conclusion of: before you open this and start putting your water in there, take these, turn them upside down, shake them real good, make sure all the seasoning's not down in a glump in one of these seams down here, and just shake it really good and get all the powdery ingredients to come up to the top. Excuse me. That way when you pour your water in, you don't have a bunch of the seasoning stuck down in the corners down here. I got the water on. It should be boiling in just a second, so we'll get right back to you with the boiling water, and we'll stir this in here. Alright, we got our boiling water. Rip this open. Now, on the last ReadyWise meal we did, it seemed like we had a problem with some of the ingredient not getting rehydrated well. Well, I started thinking, and maybe that was our fault. I mean, it's hard to find the oxygen absorber. Maybe that was our fault. Maybe we didn't have the water quite hot enough. I'm not positive. But I'm thinking that might have been what happened. Some time had elapsed between the water boiling and us actually adding it into the ingredients. I'm not sure, but that might have had something to do with it. But we're going to give this another try here. Oh, that's not hot. One thing I kind of like, and I think my granddaughter did too, is on these packages they have like little jokes and stuff. It would be kind of neat if you were camping with your kids and stuff, and you pull this out and sitting around waiting for the water to boil, you can tell each other the jokes and riddles on these. So now, one thing I used to do with my kids when we went camping is I like listening to those old radio programs, you know, like the Green Hornet and well, several different ones. I got a whole bunch on a old cell phone somewhere. Alright, well, we got that in there, and it says to wait 12 to 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and wait the 15. Yeah, if I can find my timer here. And then we'll come back. And actually, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and halfway between there, I'm going to open this up and stir it a little bit. Kind of like the Wise Food, or the Mountain House tells you to do. So, as soon as it's done, we'll be right back. Alright, well, this has been sitting. I did open it up about halfway through and I gave it another stir. So we let it sit for 15 minutes. Well, it's been about 16 now. So let's open this up and see what we got here. And the last one we did, we couldn't get the zipper to zip closed. This one worked just fine. Has a good smell to it. Looks good. Looks nice and creamy. Let me put some out here in the bowl. And see how it looks. Okay, you don't want to work for me here. Let me see if I can get a picture of that for you. Well, one of those should come out for you. I'll put it down here for you. Has a good smell to it, fragrance, whatever. Noodles and beef and creamy sauce. Here's a nice flavor. Excuse me. Noodles are nice and soft. Now, I'm not bad-mouthing this meal. I think all the companies do it. These little pieces of meat that you use, they're like, I'm sorry, rabbit pellets. Now it's not just the Wise Food or the, what are these ones called? ReadyWise or Mountain House. All the companies use those little beef pellets. It has a really good flavor. The noodles reconstituted very well. Now this is a mushroom sauce, and I don't see any mushroom, but that doesn't mean it's not in here. Oh wait. No, that was a piece of beef. It's got a lot of meat in it. And all of them I think have a little more salt than they need. But I think they do that for the preserving of it. That's really good. So ReadyWise, this one and the meat reconstituted a lot better than in the last one. Like I said, I think it might have been our fault. So ReadyWise, I'm going to give 2 thumbs up on this one. Tastes good. Looks good. Everything reconstituted very well, so yeah, 2 thumbs up. This is the ReadyWise Noodles and Beef with mushroom sauce. Give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Please, if you haven't done so yet, go down, click that little bell icon, the subscribe button, click that little bell icon, then click more. That way you'll get notified every time we upload a video. I'd say go ahead and pick up some ReadyWise and give it a try for yourself and see if you like it. I like it. I'm going to sit here and finish eating my lunch. I want to thank you for stopping by. Hope you have a beautiful day. And until next time, stay prepared.